Good morning, children. How are you all? Are you all fine? Enjoying, right? Very good. Be at home, children, okay? Yes. So, today in our English class, we are going to write the active English, okay? Ready? Take out your book, children, active English book. Did you all take your active English book? Take chapter number 21, page number 32. Chapter number 21, page number 32. Yes. So, children, you will write the date here, right? Yes. If it is 27, write 27 dash 10 dash 20. Are you all writing like this? Yes. You have to write the date, okay? Yes. First, today in this class we are going to see one chapter, okay? In this chapter they have given the options for us, okay? Can you see each below the each picture they have given the clues. We are going to write the sentence using those clues, okay? Yes. First one. Where is the bottle? Where is the bottle? It is in the box. It is in the box. Where dash the apples? So, children, we have only one bottle, so we said is, right? When you have only one thing, we will use the word is. If there are many, we will use the word are. Where are the apples? Okay. So, write where are the apples? Yes, we will reply they are many, right? So they are on the plate. See, they have given us they are. So they are on the plate. Yes, where are the apples? They are on the plate. Yes, did you all write it? Superb. Can we go to the next one? Third one. Where is the bottle? Where is the bottle? It is under. U-N-D-E-R. Under the table. I don't have space here, so I am writing it over on it, okay? You have to write in that underlined one, okay? See where you will write it. You will write it is under the, okay? I will write it below. It is under the, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 dash. It is under the table. Yes. Where is the bottle? It is under the table. Next one. Where dash 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 boy? Where is the boy? Right? Where is the boy? Children, in this we have two objects, right? We have two persons standing, but still we are telling is. Why? They have mentioned boy. Where is the boy? So he is mentioning only one person. So you are using is here. Okay. Where is the boy? He is behind the girl. He is behind the girl. Behind, see the spelling here and write. He is behind the girl. Did you all write it, children? Can we move to the next one? Yes. Where is the girl? So in before they asked where is the boy. Here we are asking where is the girl. Right? Where is the girl? Write it in the blanks. Okay? She is beside. See to the spelling, okay? B-E-S-I-D-E. Beside the boy. She is beside the boy. Next one. Where is the goat? Where is the goat? It is in front of the tree. Right? It is in front of. See to that spelling and write front of the tree. It is in front of the tree. Right? It is in front of the. Okay? I'm keeping points right. There you have to write. Okay? I don't have space there. So I'm writing it below. Yes. Okay? Turn to the next page. Okay, we have 6 questions in this. Okay, we have 6 questions. Okay, I am going to do 2. Others you are going to do. Okay, will you all do it? Very good. I know you can do it. It's very easy. Okay. Yes. Where is the women? Right? Where is the women? Okay? It is a gender, right? So we are going to write she. Okay? She is in the boat. She is in the boat. Where is the woman? She is in the boat. Where is the woman? She is in the boat. Yes. Can we write the next one? Only this I am going to do. Other 1, 2, 3, 4 questions you are going to do. Okay? It's easy only. I hope you can do it, right? You will do it, right? Very good. Okay. So there are 2 cats. So where are? Very good. Where are the cats? Where are the cats? They are on the chair. They are on the chair. They are on the chair. Okay? Yes. So you write this one also. Okay, children? Will you all write it? Next one, third one, fourth and fifth. I will tell you. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? The dog is under the chair. Okay. Where is the cow? It is behind the tree. Okay. Where is the woman? She is beside the man. Where is the rat? It is in front of the box. So children, we have done each and everything, no? All the beside, in front of, behind, everything we have done. You are going to again write it, but with the other examples. Okay? Will you all write it? Very good. So write it and keep it safe. Okay? I will meet you in the next class with another new chapter. Okay, children? Till then, take care. Thank you. Sai Ram.